Hello, my friends, my Skibidi Sigmas. Today we will be playing Dandy World with literally Sin from Murder Drones. Say hi, Sin. Yeah? Yeah. And the band. I love my stealth. Did someone steal a proud Sita? Okay, found my machine. Come there, come. Yeah, Bisepin. But yeah, I love being a Balkan in random moments. Skibbity. Why do they keep leading twisteds to me? And healing each other. Being selfish and stuff. And stealing my machine as I see. We just got double hit. Running and running and running and running. No, Bill! Dog! That. Lingan gilly quats That's sad to be honest, but don't lead them to me, please. Vu. Vu just died. What? You sound sick, man. I'm scared at toilet. What? Road Sprout almost just got hit because he was a freaking AFK. Like Dandy World is for fun and surviving, not a role playing. I'm going into the elevator. Tegan, get your ass away! Oh! Medical attention, medical attention. Me and Cosmo and you need it. Also, the fact when Tegan or Shrimpo, not sure now, hit me, I was literally at 9 stamina. Twisted scraps. Okay, are we cooked? Yes or yes? I know. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Scraps is coming to my machine. Oh no, am I cooked? Yeah, I'm here. Yeah. Wait, who? Get say GTA since I'm on live. Hide, hide, quick. Here. I'm running to the elevator. Sprout, quick! Cosmo, you dumbass! Hey. Shine bright like a diamond. It isn't. Proud hunt. Yes. I don't know. I said it was Sprout Hunt. Wait, hide, 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 hide. Why did you take it? It was for Cosmo. Wow, that's sad actually. I think we should let it go once. Ah! Run! Run! Run, fat slob! Did you get it? But Sprout and Cosmo usually just hit. I got hit, I got hit. Dumbass. Oh, never mind. We can't cook. Thank you. Um, no, he healed me. Pebble, twisted pebble on a black. Run, run. You run, run, run. I'll save you. Heaven. Just shout their name. Now where are the research capsules? See? Found them. Here. You stop. Here you go, Magic. No, never mind then. We are cooked. Twisted pebble. Boo. Imagine only us two will be left after this floor. My small chance. What do you mean ups? Oh! Yes, and I'm losing my stamina. Phew, I escaped that fat dog. Run! Phew, dang, 3 people left. Yeah. Imagine. Oh, and the blackout at the same time, which is insane. Please twist it, Sprout. Wow, you actually just used your. No, Toodles, don't look at me. Phew. Louie and Toodles, as I see. Not easy for me, cause Toodles can literally win a race. No, Cosmo! Nice. Bite me. Siamina, like emoji. I thought I could have stole your machine. Oh, oh, dog, no. Have I up? Louis, the blind ass, just hit his head. But I will fall down the 6 foot building. Yes. It's not really a duo because people were helping us until this floor. Dot. Okay. Okay. I think this is enough footage. We don't have to delete it. I'ma die real quick to join the losing team. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And I wish you enjoyed. Anyways, say bye bye to Sinessa, my fellow Sigmas. And yeah, yeah, we failed miserably. Anyways, see ya, everyone.